officials in today's event.
Remind again a million times our parents and guests, you guys are very much welcome to take photos and videos, but please remain seated or stay on.
Ayun, ang mamang pasayawon audience sila ng mga bata. Oh, yan ang mga talenta ng mga parents. Anyways, most especially for our entrance and exits, here you see on my right, yan, katabi mo ng ating music box. Isa na sa starter. Okay, tama natin ulit ang ating mga SPDA officers. Maraming salamat sa class of Mamarlene B. Daniel, the non-graded popular intern and language deficit class with teacher aides and parents. Come on, mga Spanish! Hi! With the class advisor, Ma'am Adeline and Natividad. Ma'am Luna, Oliver, keeper. Pakita ang ating buhay at energy as we welcome today's momentous celebration. We also would like to acknowledge Ma'am Joanne Mortaliano, the advisor, one of the advisors in the special department. Let's welcome the primary audits and transition class of Magdalena Siniwagay. Alongside him, the transition goal and transition element class of Ma'am Merlina T. Lin. Tapos hindi naman magpapauli ang ating bilag na magandang dalaga dyan.